Sawadika. This is a Kawasaki W800 Cafe, and this is modeled after a plastic motorcycle. It has plastic gauges up here.
Welcome to the channel. Sorry for the low audio, didn't have a microphone available. This is an offbeat video, dual chrome exhaust on the W800, vertical, twin cylinder engine, 773cc 4-stroke, bevel gear driven camshaft, and single overhead cam, 4-valve head, strong low to mid-range performance. Front and rear disc with ABS, 1960 retro classic line with modern technology. That's the bevel drive on the right side of the engine. She used to own and ride a Kawasaki Ninja 300cc. She said the seat height is a little bit shorter than her Ninja. She's about 5'3" and she's able to get both feet on the ground. It's a little bit heavy from her Ninja. She wanted to borrow my keys and go for a ride, but she didn't bring her helmet or her jacket. So she's going to start up the bike instead. Front LED headlights, a silver cowl and a windscreen. It's a pretty nice sound from the factory exhaust. Not too loud, not too quiet. This video is just a quick review and exhaust sound. It's a very nice color combination. Pearl, brown gas tank, two-tone seat, brown and black. Retro gauges, everything except the gas needle. Club style handlebar. And the fuel capacity is about 4 gallons. And about 53 miles per gallon. The seating on the bike is a little bit sloped, similar to a sport bike position. And the chrome exhaust is perfect for the bike. Front tire is 100 by 90, size 18, and the rear is 130 by 80, size 18. 5-speed transmission. Seat height is 31.1 inch and the curb weight is 490 pounds.
Alright, thanks for joining us. See you later.
Exhaust sound while sitting on the bike. More exhaust sound under the bridge. The lights shimmering off the silver metallic spark black paint. Right side view of the motorcycle with the bevel drive. This was a leftover model 2019 and there was about 40% rebate from the factory. Very nice looking bike with the round LED headlights, very bright at night. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.